Hi guys, so my bike, as you can see, I'm just getting all the necessary work done on my bike, so I don't have to be worried about in upcoming at least 1 year. So thing is that today we are going to do some work, and some of people have been asking me how to open the tank. See, basically, in order to open the tank, you need to open the case. This case, entire set. And to open it, so there is nuts. You can see you can have your nuts here and here, and that's about it. So after opening all these nuts, from here, you can just take this one out. And after you take this one out, you'll get to see this. Now this is a real tank, metal tank. Okay, if you have anything to clean or wash, you can do it from here. All right, so on you guys request, I have been just uploading this video. So as you can see, you need to be cleaning it. And if you talk about the air filter, it has in it, so you need to remove the seat and then the tank, then air filter will be open. Okay, so you can see the nuts are here, and in this part, so you can remove that. Now on my bike, what we are doing, we are testing the clutch and everything. The heat sensor of my bike is damaged, so basically it's showing a heat error in here, so heat sensor need to be changed. So whenever you see you have the new mobile but still you see the low mobile sign, so that means a heat sensor. So after removing the tank, you'll get to see this. Okay, this is the part where you can find the air filter. Alright, and here's the engine. So that is the entire part of the bike. Engine oil golpo naki go. So I'm getting the clutch plate replaced because as you can see, there is a play here, fee play. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Yeah, so this free play does mean that the clutch plate is not good, and if your clutch plate is not good, you're never gonna get good pickup or mileage, or even the engine oil will get burned too quick. That's the situation here, and engine will reheat very quickly. It will heat up very quickly. As you can see now, this clutch is placed properly. There is no play. That means this clutch is good. So I've come to the Bajaj service center, and one thing I would like to inform you guys, why very frequently, like once in a year, you need to get your bike serviced from Bajaj, is that they will check the bike thoroughly, and whatever the upcoming problems you have, and what are the parts required to be changed, they will give you an update about it. If you reach the local guys, local workshop, they will do. That's the reason. So my bike is getting serviced right now, but I'm waiting in our reception area. So that's the thing. So alright, that's what I wanted to share. Thank you.